What's going on, Instagram? Again, so I know how extremely hard it is to grow on this platform. I've noticed it's pretty damn hard, but I don't give a shit. So I'm just gonna keep giving free information, keep giving information on how I made it. So here I go. So today I want to talk about again about ClickFunnels, but I want to talk about how to sell ClickFunnels on Pinterest, because honestly Pinterest has been like a cash cow for me. I make most of my ClickFunnels money through Pinterest. So anyway, here it goes. So there's two ways that I promote ClickFunnels on Pinterest. I do it as a service provider, and I also sell ClickFunnels as an affiliate. So, and I know most of you are probably selling it as an affiliate rather than a service provider, because I'm guessing that most of you don't actually use ClickFunnels yourselves. So I'll talk about selling it as an affiliate first. So what you want to do if you're selling it as an affiliate is you really want to make sure that your images are like extremely enticing to other people that want to make money online. Anybody that sees your pins online and sees that it's got a gorgeous design, and it just you want to create eye candy is what you want to do. Create some eye candy, and you know what, their mind is going to automatically think that they have to click on this, so they're going to click on it. And you better have a good landing page that that they can go to where they can sign up for the affiliate program, because that's all it takes, really. So I mean, if you can create some really good designs that's going to entice people to click, and if you can create some good copy that to again entice people to click, they're going to click, and you're going to get affiliate signups. But honestly, that's not really what you want to do. I mean, honestly, you make the most money from selling the actual product, and you're not going to actually sell the product unless you're using it yourself. I mean, you might get lucky and get a few sales here and there if you don't use the product, but I mean, you're going to have much better luck if you're actually using the damn product. So what I do is basically I list all the major features in my Pinterest images, and I list various enticing messages on how they can earn money, how they can make sales, how it will help their business. And you got to really provide value and really show these small businesses that are scrolling through Pinterest how ClickFunnels is going to help them. Once they see that, and they see that your copy that you sound legitimate, they're gonna click on it there, because they're gonna be interested, because all small businesses, all of them want more sales. They all want more sales. They all want more people to buy from them, and they all want more members. I'm talking like gyms and studios, for instance. They all want more members. It's as simple as that. So that's what you want to do. You really want to make sure that it's enticing. You really want to make sure that you're capturing, because think about it. All right, so a small business owner, like a gym and studio, is going to have a much different mindset than somebody who's only looking to make money, where the people that you're marketing to, as far as promoting the affiliate program versus promoting the actual product. So you really want to make sure that you understand what a business owner is going to be looking for, which ultimately they want more sales, or they want more leads, and that's generally what they want. So I mean, if you can get that across in a good message, you're going to have no problem getting affiliate sales for the actual product on Pinterest. Trust me, it works. I've been doing it for 3 years on Pinterest, and I've grown a large following from it, and a lot of people trust me with it. So it works, trust me. But that's all I got for you today. I know that not many of you are going to watch this shit, but whatever. So I guess have a good one.